All right, so how do we feel pain? All right, there's a theory out there called the gate control theory of pain. And what this says is that pain messages travel on one set of nerve fibers containing pain gates. The gates are open when pain is felt. Other sensory messages go through another set of fibers. So the non-pain fibers can close the pain gates to stop the sense of pain. So essentially, and I'll show you like a little flow chart on the next slide. It's like when you have pain, it's these gates that open up, right? And so to stop the pain, we have to close the gates, and that's where we're talking about the mental imagery before. So how does that whole thing work? All right, so here's a little flow chart so you can help visualize it. All right, so first thing happens, you have an intense stimulus. All right, intense stimulus, you get hit, you get cut, something like that. That's going to activate, see, just follow the arrows. That's going to activate the free nerve endings located in the skin, muscle, and internal glands. Then it's going to carry the message to the spinal cord, which releases a neurotransmitter called substance P. Now, this causes other neurons to activate and send pain messages to the thalamus through open spinal gates. Now, the brain then does one of two things. It either leaves the gates open, and this is what intensifies the pain, right? So how pain can get worse, or it closes the gates, and now pain is being reduced. All right, so this whole process happens. And then when it gets to the thalamus, right, that's where, you kind of, we talked about how that's the relay station. And that's depending on what message it's going to send, it's either going to leave the gates open and then you're going to keep having the pain or it's going to get worse, or you close the gates and then the pain is then reduced. All right, so this is the pain process. This is the gate theory of pain.